Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the sticky header widget so your customers can enjoy effortless navigation and quick access to your store's main menu no matter where they are on the page. All right, let's dive in. Accessing the widget. To access the sticky header widget, open your customized Debutify theme. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings. Professional Widgets. Go to Header, then select Header. Here you can customize all settings. Sticky Header. You can choose from 4 display options. None. The header scrolls away with the page and stays hidden until you scroll up manually. On Scroll Up, the header hides when scrolling down and reappears as you scroll up, offering a smart navigation experience. Always, the header remains fixed at the top, ensuring constant access to your menu and cart. Always reduce logo size. The header stays visible but minimizes the logo for a cleaner look and better use of mobile screen space. And that's it! You've successfully set up the sticky header widget, creating a seamless, user-friendly browsing experience for your shoppers. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.